Guys, yabona nina anibaza abantu anwazi ama-player kahle guys beninguphi ningekho la nizowitnessa lento esiyibonile. But it's fine, akunandaba. Please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team were you playing for today?
Sanibonani, igama uNdumiso Mkanzi, uLuka Modric. Bengidlala kuthi Town namhlanje.
Okay, so uLuka yini into elemenza ukuthi aluntuzana adlala ibhola, yini into ekumotivate ukuthi udlala ibhola?
Angazi, ngeke ngisho ukuthi khona into engimotivateile, mara nje since ngisasemncane kuyinto engithandayo, kuyinto engiyilandelelayo. So since nje ngayiqala angizange stopa, ngilibele ngiyazama nje.
So in a pyramid form nje yabo ama teams okay wawadlalela imaphi uqale kule until kule okuyo manje?
Ngaqala ku Mirrorlands Real Madrid, Mirrorlands eSoweto, and then ngadlala ku Bidvest Wits, and then by Tengisa, and then ngadlala ku JTR Stars. From JTR Stars ngadlala ku Apollo 11 APC eMpumalanga, and then from lapho ngadlala ku SSU. From SSU ngaya eDurban ku Summerfield Dynamos, and then manje ngiku Via Sports edlala iGauteng APC yase Gauteng.
So igame yakho namhlanje, how did you find your game and mawubhekile wena as an individual ne team yakho ni perform kanjani?
Igame namhlanje besivumela isaqala, bekumele sisebenzise ama chance wethu esiwatholile, azange siwasebenzise. Yona bengekho nzima but basiphile i-challenge. Thina nje into bekumele siyenze ukufaka ibhola eneting. So into esilethe down leyo and into esenza ukuthi sidliwe nje namhlanje.
So who was your toughest opponent oyifacile la egroundini namhlanje?
Angazi toughest angifilanga ukuthi khona beka tough. Bebadlala bona ukuthi nje angibonanga any player individually be superior. Yeah.
All right. So ku PSL team uhamba nayo?
Orlando Pirates.
Obvious. So imapha ama player i3 owathanda ku Orlando Pirates?
Ngithanda uSiphumbule, uMaswanganye, ugcina bonomphocha batsana.
Okay. Kulaba bayi3 obaneyimile ne start 1, bench 1 and sell 1.
Nkalumbule. Okay, ngqala uTito. Okay. Ngibench uChabatsani, uMbule enyamthengise overseas.
Okay. So yini into ofuna ukuba remembered ngayo njengoba udlala ibhola, like how would you like to be remembered sekuthiwa uyaliyeka ibhola?
Ngifuna ukuthi le day ngeke ibhola bangikhumbule as the best, ukuthi bekangekho umuntu ofana naye. Yeah, so lento engifuna ukuyenza inkulu and ngisazoyenza.
Okay. Word of the day.
The best things never come easy.
Okay, the best things never come easy. Thank you so much for your time.
Sharp.
Sharp.